Mm. Hi, Melanie. What are you doing?
I'm going to eat seaweed, so watch me now.
Oh, all right. Let's see what Melanie thinks of seaweed. She's been asking for it for some time. She doesn't even know.
It's because of you folding it.
It's good. It's good. I folded it so it would fit in your little mouth. Do you like seaweed, Miss Melanie?
Yes.
Really? Do you think you're part mermaid by any chance? Is that good stuff? You like it, Melanie?
Is there more?
Yeah, fold it in half like I showed you.
Well, there's more.
We'll get you more if that's what you
I
want.
want more.
Melanie eating seaweed. Isn't that great? Oh yeah. Nom, 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 nom. So you like seaweed, Melanie? You never answered my question.
Yes.
Do you think that you are part mermaid?
Yeah.
You do? I knew it. Is it because you like seaweed?
Yeah.
Yeah? I love you, Melanie. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, Melanie's a big girl.